I want to convert this airframe from gasoline to electric. And what better place to find engineers that can do that than right here at the U of L Speed School of Engineering.
Our group partnered with Louisville Downtown Partnership, and they had a goal of creating a new 3D model of downtown Louisville. So the Central Business District expanded over the past 20 years, meaning that the old model that they had is no longer in use. They are involving all of the 3D printing community within Louisville, so we had to do a lot of standardization processes to eliminate variation within it. We learned a lot about communication and making sure that we were staying on top of everything.
We had to come together as a team, work on one unified goal within time constraints, and I feel like that's going to help a lot in the workforce or just in research. Number one, your goal can change, and number two, all you have to do is rely on your team. You guys will come up with something.
I will have to say these students are dedicated. They absolutely are dedicated to both the project and ensuring that we actually get a solution, not just a grade. They always come up with interesting and innovative solutions, things that you may not find in the common world, but that's because these students know what they're doing straight out of university.